When patients have an excellent result and they get back to the activities that they want to perform, whether or not it's sports or just things that they want to do living life, it makes me very happy. That's why I went into the profession in the first place, was to have that positive impact on someone's life. I became an orthopedic surgeon because growing up I had a lot of sports injuries, saw a lot of different orthopedic surgeons who I found interesting, and they inspired me to pursue the profession. Orthopedic surgery has evolved over the years. Now we have the ability to perform procedures in a minimally invasive way. For example, if somebody had a hip fracture, now we can make a small incision and place a nail rather than a large incision with a large plate and screws. Arthroscopy is another area that has evolved tremendously over time. It used to be large incisions to fix a rotator cuff. Now we can do the entire procedure through small little portals, performing the procedure arthroscopically, using a camera to assist our procedure. Comprehensive care to me means treating the entire patient, not just the problem at hand, but some of the underlying issues that may be leading to those problems. Things as simple as changing diet can help benefit the patient tremendously and decrease pain. Primary clinical specialties for me involve shoulder, elbow, knee. Those would be the main areas. In this practice, though, we do see everything, including back pain or hand issues, foot and ankle. But my training has primarily been in sports medicine and shoulder and elbow surgery. When evaluating a patient to decide on a surgical or non-surgical plan of care, I think the important thing for a patient to understand is that they're coming in for an opinion. That way they can make an informed decision about what they want to do ultimately. They're in charge of their own decision. We try to provide a path in which they can make a proper decision. In many cases, surgery is the answer, but in other cases, a non-operative treatment might be the better course for a patient. In my practice, I spend a lot of time listening to the patient. I encourage them to tell me what their problem is, and I listen to it and try to understand really what they're looking for. Patients presenting problems and symptoms often involve not just pain, but a limited function. And poor function can also lead to pain, interferes with what they want to do in life. Many people have difficulty sleeping as a result. Our goal is to try to improve all of that. MedStar is an excellent choice for all your medical care, including orthopedic surgery. We have extremely enthusiastic, extremely well-trained physicians, as well as a staff that's incredibly supportive, and we want you to do the best possible.